We'll start with a Mustad C49S, size 14. This is the ultra wire Midge. Now these ultra wires from UTC come in these magnificent bright colours. I'm using amber for this, but I think it comes in around 15 different colours. So we take a piece of wire and we just put that through the hook eye, like so, and we hold him down here and we rotate our vise, keeping tension on the wire all the time. Just have to watch you don't come in contact with the hook point. I want to go down into the bend with this. This is an excellent pattern. If I'm fishing a team, this is normally one of the droppers. So we go back to there, just tighten that up, there we go. Take my wire scissors and I'll just trim that off there, and I take the edge of the scissors and just push it in and under like so, and then we can push all this up together. That's good. Then we take our dubbing needle, just push that out. Oops. Lift it up like so. I've got sheer 40-0 black, and we're just tying the end of that. Then what we want to do is just go a wee ways back over the, I'll remove that over the wire, and I just take a clip and I put it on the wire, keeping tension on the tying thread. There we go. Then we go back to the rear of the thorax. I can make that thorax a little bit longer, there we go. And then I'm using this is a new Vineyard product, Boosted Crinkle Orange Crush, and all I need is one strand of that. And we just tie that in slightly at an angle. I go forward, and then we fold it back and we go back over it. Just make sure it's positioned on the other side correctly. That will do us. To go over those, we pull them both, take them one at a time here. Just tie that one in. We'll pull that one over. Oops. Tie that one in. Give it a couple of turns this time. There we are. And then we'll go over to this one and pull that one over. Position it like so, and then we fold them both back and we make a couple of turns at the front like that. Take our scissors, trim them off close. And then whip finish. Like so. Trim that off, and we take with our dubbing needle a little drop of UV resin Don't need much at all here. We want to put a little stopper on the hook shank where the wire finishes. Cover the whole body. Want to keep it slender. No lumps or bubbles. And we'll just give that a quick cure. And then we'll coat the head. You need to give it a couple of coats, but that's it. That's the finished Ultra Midge. You can tie it in as many colours as you wish. I like the chartreuse and the amber and the green and the red work really well. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.